Feel the cold Canadian Arctic air
No!
blasting in from the
Roll
north.
up the windows. Keep doing it. Stop.
Shopping for some ski goggles. It's 2 a.m. Cynthia's yawning. She's exhausted. I'm full of energy. This storm is going to be intense. It's already rapidly intensifying. People are expecting this thing to happen more in the morning hours of Saturday into the afternoon, but I'm telling you, it's already happening. This cyclone is bringing an immense amount of moisture over New England. We are currently on I-95 northbound, headed towards Gloucester, Massachusetts. It's 2 a.m. Saturday morning, and this nor'easter is already blowing in. Accumulation taking place about 1 inch per hour, a half inch to 1 inch per hour. The roads are messy. Winds are pumping, so there's snow drifts. As high tide comes in within the next hour, we're going to see more coastal flooding along the coast of Massachusetts. We're currently in Rockport. Levels are already getting up to the top of the wall there. Eventually there will be coastal flooding here in Massachusetts. You can already see it pouring up over these walls. These walls are a good, I don't know, I would say this is an 8 foot to 10 foot high wall right here. And it is just gonna come all the way up. Already, it's not even high tide yet. We still have about another hour to go before it's high tide.
find a dad and a daughter out amateur storm chasing. We wouldn't recommend it in these conditions, but take a listen to what they have to say about the road conditions out there.
Hunker down, don't go out on the roads. The roads are terrible, the snow drifts are all over the place. I wouldn't be surprised if trees don't start coming down or power lines. So yeah, just stay inside if you can. Don't go anywhere.
Are you making some fun memories with your dad? Yes.
We have quite a bit of microblasts and microbursts that are happening where you have these small mesovortices rotating in different directions, the wind mostly coming from the northeast. We clocked wind readings of 30 to 40 miles per hour at Bearskin Notch or Bearskin Neck. We've just been monitoring this tree. This is the third or fourth time we've driven past it, and it is lowering and leaning a little more and more.
It's just a beach day out here, isn't it? No, we are on Long Beach, and things are getting worse, honestly, by the minute because the wind is picking up, as you can see, and also the snowflakes. I have to tell you, they're a lot bigger snowflakes, so there's a lot more snow coming down. The wind is whipping things around. Whiteout conditions are upon us, and the wind is literally knocking me over.
When the waves were crashing over, like right and splashing us in the face, and I got hit with salty water. And hold up the sun.
Dude, I'm so...
That's a good 7-foot stairway right there. It's almost completely covered in snow.
Under the sun.